Hello everyone, I'm here to show you how to make a delicious plant-based hemp milk with just 4 simple ingredients. First, we will have half a cup of hemp hearts. Hemp hearts is a great source of plant-based protein, essential fatty acids, and fiber. Next, add 4 cups of water. Water will help to dilute the hemp hearts, making them easier to blend. Then, we will add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Vanilla adds a nicer flavor to the milk and helps to balance out the hemp. Finally, we will add 4 beaten dates. Dates add a natural sweetness to the milk and help to boost the flavor. Place all the ingredients in the blender and blend for 1 to 2 minutes until it's smooth. When the milk is ready, you can strain the milk through the nut bag or leave it as is to have extra fiber. Let's talk about the benefits of the hemp milk. Hemp milk is a great way to get plant-based protein and essential fatty acids into your diet. It's also low in carbohydrates and sugar, making it a healthier alternative to dairy milk. So why not give it a try? You'll be surprised by how delicious and easy it is to make. I hope you will try this recipe. It's very easy and delicious. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy.